Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So you've got the tried and true 512 Samsung Evo Select. And now we get to try the brand new, just recently released, from what I can tell. So here we go. You get a little case. It's a V30 SDXC. So in this video we'll be comparing these two, and let's see how they do. So here's the product description, really well priced. They are on sale right now, but these are definitely more in line with the Pro series. I would agree. The U3 Class 10 A2 speeds, really, really great. Shock proof. They really knocked it out of the park with this. Looks like you can get new and used for even cheaper. This is what we're comparing. It's got really great reviews, and I would have to concur with those. We're comparing it against the green, not the new generation, the green Samsung Evo Select. Now, there are the newer gens, which are a little more expensive than the Amazon. And the new gen is slightly faster. This is probably more in line with this Samsung, with the Amazon. But, you know, this should compete with up to 100 megabytes, right? And as we saw there, with read speeds, yes. With write speeds, no. And or you'll see if I'm posting this earlier in the video. And spoiler alert. But it's you can't go wrong. If you have a Samsung, you're great. But if you're in the market for a new SD card, I think these ones are a contender to really consider. All right, here we go with the Samsung. We got 476 gigabytes, and that is 512 billion, 7 million, 77, pretty much 78,000 bytes. It's now a blank disk. All right, let's run a few speed tests here. This is a Samsung. Wow, so close to 90, 100, and similar on the right. Really, really nice. That's really good. Let's run it again. Okay, this is looking good. A little slower on the right. Not a big deal. Still really good. Let's do a third time, back to back to back. A little slower, but still going strong. Solid stuff. Great data, great speeds. So now, as far as writing an actual image, let's go ahead and hit write. And can you guys see that? 83 megabytes per second. Let's let this run for 30 seconds. And for 30 seconds, let's see if we get any drops. So that's pretty good. This is a 500 gigabyte file that we're writing to the Samsung, the older generation, Samsung 512 Select. And look at that, 83 across the board. It's going to take us an hour, 25 minutes. That is fast. So here's the slight difference here. As you see, it is slightly less than the Samsung, which could run into problems, especially if you're downloading RetroPie images, things like that, where they really have put the max load on them. 471.13 gigabytes. That's 505 billion, 870 million, 811,000 bytes. Let's go ahead and it found our thing here. I'm going to go ahead and just reload the app. All right, here we go. OMG. Wow. That's crazy. Let's see if we can replicate that. Okay, there we go. There we go. It's dropping a little bit. Wow. And a third time. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Amazon. These are high-end cards. These are really, really high-end cards. Okay. And then let's go ahead and write a 500 gigabyte file onto it really quick. Right. Let's see. Wow. Wow. 100. You know, look at that. We're getting an extra 10 megabytes over what the test was saying our write speed was. Because it was writing a bunch of little files. So one big file. That's pretty good. The same file was going to take an hour and 25 minutes on the Samsung Select. And here, it's only going to take an hour. That's 25 entire minutes. That's or you know, close to 25. That's significant. As you see here, we're doing the 30-second test, and it stayed within 113, 112 as an average. I would say 112 megabytes per second. That's insane. That's amazing. Really impressed by this card. So there you have it. Amazon ain't messing around. They made a great SD card here. I can't poke any holes in this one. Good job, Amazon. I had a feeling they would. They're just gonna make some other companies making these, and you know, whoever they pick to make them, I'm sure it'll be leaked soon, or if it hasn't already, they're doing a really good job. So highly recommend them. Highly recommend. Okay, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.